Hello, my name is John Armstrong. I'm a solution engineer here at Nintex. So today I've got a quick example or quick use case to run through that revolves around a pricing estimate calculator and some proposal creations as well. So what I've got pulled up here, what we're looking at, this is a Nintex Automation Cloud form. And what I'm going to do with this is basically just quickly fill this out. I've got a little cheat button here. I won't get into too many of the details and I won't go too far behind the scenes, but the idea is someone would be able to come in, fill out this form, provide some basic information such as names or summaries, regions, what type of customer they are, different things like that. And then kind of the fun part here, the real interesting stuff is happening in this product info section. And this is where the calculation part comes in here. So what I've got is in the back end, I've hooked this up to a data source. And basically that allows me to pick a product name or a product from this list here. And as soon as I put in an amount, so in this case, I maybe want 250 gallons of this roadie water, reverse osmosis deionized water. It's an aquarium thing if you're not familiar with it. But as soon as I put that amount in here, based on that price per unit, it automatically calculates that line item price for me here. And then kind of to take it to the next level, if I wanted to provide, let's say, a 15% discount for this customer, I can input that and it does that as well in here. And what's even cooler is I can add multiple line items in here as well. So maybe they want 2 pieces of filter media, and then maybe they want to partake in my cleaning service, for 40 hours total, at $100 an hour, get about $4,000. Again, maybe I'm feeling nice, I'll give them a nice 20% discount. So we've got these totals for each individual line item here, but then importantly, we've got the total for the entire estimate, the entire ticket here. So what I can do if I was out in the field or if I was with the customer, I can click this Get Customer Signature button, and then they would be able to quickly sign that they agree to this estimate, and then they agree to all the information that's been presented, and then I can submit that form and kick off the process that is running or will run behind the scenes. Now in this case here, I've got a fairly simple workflow process that's basically going to take the information that I provided on that form. So again, like the customer name, their needs, what region they're in, what type of customer they are, if they're residential or commercial. And it's going to follow some rules that I set up in the workflow to pull in various data points. I want some specific text that talks about the region they're in. I want some specific text that talks about residential customers. And then, of course, it will gather information about the products that I included in there. And it will gather all of that up and use that information to create a document or kind of an official proposal or an official estimate here. Now, I'm not showing it in this demo here as well, but there is also a capability to include conditional reviews, right? So if the estimate was above a certain threshold, or if it was in a certain region or a certain customer type, I could have added an additional review or a revision process in there. But I didn't do that. I didn't show that for this one here. And after all my talking here, I can see I've got an email with the document that I've requested. I have that opened up here. And based on the information that I put in, I've got the text for the region, I've got the text for the customer type, and then it also has the information about the products that I input here as well as that customer signature just dropping right onto that document. So really quick example, nice little calculator here. It's come up a few times for me recently where Customers want to get in and have their field service workers be able to provide these types of things while they're with the customer, rather than routing it through to like an estimation expert, or um, taking a day or two to get back to them on something. So being able to deliver this estimate right away allows for quicker wins for our customers, and allows them to make their customers even happier. So thanks for your time.